Knowledge is power. In a democracy like India, every citizen has the right to know how the government functions. The Right to Information Act, 2005, makes this possible.
The RTI Act was enacted to promote transparency, ensure accountability, and empower citizens by giving them access to information held by public authorities. And receipt exchange.
RTI extends to the entire country. It applies to all public authorities, including government offices, local bodies, educational institutions funded by the government, and more. However, certain intelligence and security agencies are exempt.
Any Indian citizen can request information in writing or electronically in English, Hindi, or the local language. No reason is required for seeking information. The request is submitted to the designated Public Information Officer, PIO, of the concerned public authority.
The PIO must respond within 30 days. For matters involving life or liberty, the response must be given within 48 hours. If the request is denied, the applicant must be informed of the reason and appeal options.
If information is delayed or wrongly denied, citizens can appeal to higher authorities, including the Central or State Information Commissions. Public officials who fail to comply can be fined up to Rs 25,000.
RTI has exposed corruption, improved public services, and strengthened democracy. From ensuring proper use of public funds to resolving local civic issues, RTI empowers citizens to hold authorities accountable.
As students of Government Polytechnic Nashik, you can use RTI to seek information about scholarships, admission processes, infrastructure, or any public service that affects your education.
RTI is more than a law. It's a tool for active citizenship. By using it responsibly, we can build a transparent and accountable India.
On this National Right to Information Day, the 28th of September, let's pledge to use the RTI Act wisely and strengthen our democracy.